Welcome to Vocabland, a world full of exciting places waiting to be explored. From whispering forests where words drift on the breeze, waiting to be found. Thrilling space missions above the stars, where explorers zoom through sparkling galaxies. Ancient canyons where stone walls whisper old tales and hidden words await explorers. Every corner of Vocabland holds a new adventure and a brand new word to discover. Each place is a special mission where words come to life through fun stories. They help young explorers learn, imagine, and grow, one adventure at a time. So get ready, adventurer. Vocabland is full of magic, wonder, and words waiting for you to explore.